This is how to make an adjusted final grade for students. So let's go into the grade book. And once you're in the grade book, you can just go to settings, go to calculation options, and then I like to click on adjusted final grade, and it will automatically release that, and click save. You can treat ungraded items as zeros, and it will keep them automatically updated. Click save. And then let me show you what you can do in the grade book when you do your final grades. So now when I'm doing final grades, oh, there was one other thing. I like it to show at the front as well. I think there's a setting where you can make it show it at the beginning and there. Repeat adjusted final grade at the start of the list. So what I did was I went back to grades and I did personal display and repeat it at the start of the user list because I like it at the beginning of the gradebook too. Let me show you what that did. So that put the final adjusted grade here. And then what I do is I go in and I enter the grades here. So students are not seeing it right now because of the eyeball closed right there. So I'm going to enter grades, and let's say this first person let's say this first person, which is actually my name, had 79.9. Then for adjusted grade, I put the 80 over 100. So that's what the student will see because this clicked box is released. Save and close. And now when I go into score to enter that student's final grade, there's no, that the students won't ask questions. They know that that is a B. So if I do that again, then I can go to the second student and say enter grades. And let's say this student had a 89.7. So I just go ahead and put 90 so they don't question anything, and then it'll be released. And if we go back in and look now, you'll see that the eyeball on those two will be open because we've released those. So the students are not seeing the 79 point whatever or the 89 point whatever. They're only seeing this final adjusted grade. Sometimes I like to actually put another column into the grade book. You can or not with the letter actual final letter grade. If you wanted to do that, you could. You would just click manage grades, add a new, I think it's going to be a new item. Yeah, we could just put a new item under exams. And it's going to be a text item because I'm going to put A, B, C, D, F or F $. And final letter grade. And click save and close. And we'll see final letter grades here. Actually, I meant to put it inside of exams. I guess it doesn't need to be, but I'm going to change it to number 1. I want it up at the very top, so it's the first thing the students will see. So I'm going to hit more actions and reorder and go change this to number 1. And you don't have to do this. Just if you wanted to, I wanted to show you how to do it. And now if we look at the grade book, they will see they will not see this column, but they will see the eyeball, and then final letter grade would be what, B and A, enter grades, B, A, save and close. And now you can see those grades. So if you want to, you can do that, but no worries. Either way, I think this goes ahead and handles it, so you don't have to do that. But it's only the letter grade that you put in score at the end of the semester.